Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Misola. Na today House of Representatives direct Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) to stop the implementation of the cybercrime levy according to the provision of the Cybercrime Act. Dis one follow the adoption for motion for urgent public importance wey minority leader Kingsley Chinda from PDP Rivers move. Chinda list those people wey suppose pay dis money like GSM and telecom companies, internet providers, banks and other financial institutions, insurance companies and stock exchange. The lawmaker explain say the circular from CBN don raise blood pressure for country people, as e tok say many people think say na everybody go dey pay dis money upon the problem wey increase of petrol and other things wey country people still dey battle. House say make CBN withdraw the circular wey dem send before and issue another one according to the law. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. One Nigerian man wey call himself Young C don follow dem do challenge as e spend 24 hours inside grave where dem bury am alive inside coffin. E come outside to say im still dey alive. Dis kit maker start the challenge on Wednesday as e stay the whole day inside wooden coffin wey get pillow, hand fan, bedsheet, power bank, camera and 2 light bulbs. Young C come live stream himself as e dey underground inside im YouTube channel. Na today e come give update for Instagram. E dey breathe up and down as e tok say im still dey alive. E say many people go think say something don happen to am. Nothing happen oo, im dey fine. The only problem im get be say im water don finish. Maybe na im wee e for drink, but im dey fine. Before now, Young C tok say im don dey inside coffin for 8 hours. Im body no dey ground at all. Im dey sweat like Christmas goat as e share video from the coffin wey show im camera and light wey still dey function. E say im dey determined to complete dis challenge. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Boeing passenger plane comot for runway wen e wan take off early dis morning for Senegal as e injure 11 passengers wey make the management of the airport shut the place for 12 hours. The aircraft wey be Senegal flight dey carry 78 passengers wey dey go Malam capital Bamako airport manager last tok say the incident make 4 passengers seriously injure. E say na around 1am the plane run comot from runway as e wan take off. E say 11 people injure, 6 people dey serious. Dem don carry 6 other passengers go medical check-up inside the airport. Na until afternoon before dem open the airport back and operation don start normal. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Women group for Ondo State don tok and come outside say dem want deputy governorship slot inside the major political parties ahead of the November 16 governor election wey dey come. Na inside dis women group we see National Council of Women Society, Market Women Group and Women in Politics as dem insist say make dem include women for the next deputy governor post in the state, sake of say women never chop dat post before. According to the convener wey her name be Mrs. Adebimpe Adeniyi, she tok am inside communique wey dem read after dia inaugural meeting wey dem title Agitation for Gender Balance and Inclusiveness in Governance. Adeniyi lament say on top woman effort for democracy and national growth and development, na back dem put woman for both elective and political appointed position. She say no woman don become president or vice president before, not even governor. For 33 years wey democracy dey rule, the only woman wey become governor for Anambra State after dem impeach the before governor Peter Obi na Etiaba. but her ten ure no pass 3 months before dem return am to deputy governor afta dem return Obi to power. Adeniyi say some states dey wey dem don nominate woman for deputy governor, na only Ondo state get pride wey dey call demsef intellectual base of di region, wey be say till today dem no provide opportunity for woman to become deputy governor. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Former President Muhammadu Buhari don join the nation to celebrate Oba Sikiru Kayode Awujale Adetona the Awujale of Ijebu Kingdom as im mark im 90 years birthday. Oba Adetona get di record as one of di chief wey get long life wey don occupy di throne since independence for April 1960. Na inside di statement wey Buhari spokesperson Malam Garba Shehu carry come outside, Buhari praise Awujale as traditional leader wey conduct himself and sabi know how to treat pipo even if dem no be im subject. E say Awujale get good quality wey pesin fit copy, as e wish am longer life in service and good health. Dis further tori dey inside di Nation newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.